MIUI 12 is expected to be the last major update for Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro smartphone. Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro smartphone users are now reportedly receiving the MIUI 12 update. Some users have also taken the Twitter to confirm the arrival of the latest update. Reports suggest that the new update brings along optimization to animations on screen and a fix for notification shade in dark mode. The version number of the latest update for Redmi Note 5 and the Redmi Note 5 Pro is 12.0.2.0 PEIMIXM. The size of the update is reported to be at 2 GB. Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro users are recommended to install the update under a good Wi-Fi connection and preferably when the phone is sufficiently charged. Some Redmi Note 5 users have also tweeting about the arrival of new MIUI 12 update. The screenshot shared in the tweet suggests the build number is MIUI 12 version 12.0.2.0 PEIMIXM. Some other reports claim that the update size is at 2 GB. So, it is important to free up some space before you begin to installation process. Global units with the code name WiRed have reportedly started receiving the update. But there is no clarity on when China and Russia units will get it. Eligible global users can check for the update in settings if they haven't already received a notification. The reported changelog of the latest MIUI 12 update for Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro users include optimization of full screen gesture that are now ignored on the lock screen and alarm page. It also optimizes animation in selected scenarios and brings a new swipe down navigation option from the upper left and the right corner to open control center. The latest update it also brings a fix wherein the notification shade wasn't displaying correctly in dark mode. It could take couple of days for update to reach you, and it is best to wait for the OTA update to arrive. There is a possibility that Xiaomi may be rolling out the update in phases and may not receive it immediately on your Redmi Note 5 or Redmi Note 5 Pro smartphone. We have reached out to company to comment on the rollout and will update this you when we hear back.